Hello guys, welcome to another Carsexposed video. Today I'm working on my own car, a Renault Megane MK3, and I'm doing the brakes, front brakes. This brake's actually disgusting. It's giving me vibrations at the minute. It's completely shot. It's one of those things that I should have done a while ago, but I keep fixing everybody's car and I leave mine to the last moment. Anyway, so I've done the other side already, so we've got some discs here and I've got some pads. And first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the cap from the brake reservoir, brake fluid reservoir, so we can push the pistons back. I'm going to remove the two T40 screw that holds the disc. I never leave them too tight. Should be able to do it by hand. Never tighten them too tight, because they are notorious for rounding the head. They are Torx T40. So first step done, we'll remove the spring. Let's keep the whole caliper tight. So just pull in the corner here, it comes off. Should be wearing my eye protection actually. Wear some eye protection because this thing can fly sometimes. So around the back here, we remove the dust cap. That's what they look like. Just protects the slider pins. And then you have need a 7mm Allen key to break them loose. Alright, so that's one. They don't look too bad actually. Look in quite good condition. Seems to be nice and free as well. There we go. That's the second one. Now should be able to push the piston back. Just a tad, just to be able to remove the caliper. That should be enough. There we go. Yeah, not a lot of meat left, to be honest. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to push the piston back. So I've got this piston wind back tool. It's perfect for this job. Push back all the way, because you're going to be fitting new discs and pads at the same time. So alright, so now I'm going to use this hook to hook it up out the way, so we don't force any pipe or anything like that. Now we're going to remove the caliper bracket. I believe is 18mm. Yeah, it's 18, yeah. There we go. That's one. Right, that's two. Okay, so now we got to, well, the disc comes off. It's nice and free. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean inside the caliper here, the piston face, clean the caliper bracket where the pad sits. You can actually see the shiny bits there where it sits. Clean everything, clean the hub, front of the hub, and then we are ready to fit everything back. Right, so now with everything clean, thinking about the next time I'm gonna do the brakes, I'm gonna put some anti-seize on the face of the hub. You probably saw how easy the old brake disc came detached from the hub. Because I used some anti-seize previously, so I'm gonna change gloves now. Right, so now we have to align the two holes. It can only fit one way, otherwise the two screws here won't line up. Second one to go. Alright, I'm just gonna hold the disc and do them up. You don't need more than that. Alright, so at this point I like to clean the disc. Some brake cleaner. To remove any anti-corrosion fluid or film till they put it on. Now we can go ahead and fit the caliper brackets. Before that, I like to re-grease it. Some Texta brake grease, always on a surface where the pad's gonna rest. Which in this case is just here, the front here. Those two surfaces here. Okay, so that's ready to go back in. Right, first bolt in, second one. Right, so the two new pads are going to grease it, especially in that spot here where it really sits on a caliper. Right there. Caliper bracket sits in the caliper brackets. And also the clip where it fits inside the piston. I like to grease it here as well. Next, on the face of the caliper and the piston. Now we're going to fit the new pad. I like to put two of the springs inside first and then force the other one with my finger, and that goes in nice and easy. Okay, so the pads sit inside these two cavities here, so we're gonna leave this pad in first. The other one is in place already, so it's just a case to go over it, and that's it really. Get the two pins, the slider pins, grease them up with some silicone grease. Right, so in this system at least you don't need a lot, just a thin layer of silicone grease. I'm gonna put it in place. Right, second pin. See, I don't put too much there. There you go, so that can go in it as well. Alright, that's it. Alright, so I turned the hub around. This part can be tricky sometimes. As you can see, it's moving nice and freely there. So springtime. What I generally do, it can be quite tricky sometimes, but I put one side first, all the way, put the other one in the hole, and that part needs to go back there, so I'll always wear sunglasses protection with this. So I just hold on that part of the spring and I'll push behind the caliper bracket, and that is it. That's quite easy today. And that keeps everything tight, that spring. So I'm gonna press on the brake now. So there you go. So I press on the brake, everything is nice and solid. So, and that's basically it. Put the wheel back. Probably should clean the disc again. Got some marks there, some finger marks there. But that's about it, really. Job done.